Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. This Mercedes-Benz AMG Station Wagon has its 12-volt battery in the trunk, and although the replacement procedure is fairly straightforward, we always recommend to check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. We're using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while we replace the battery in this vehicle. The first step is to raise the trunk deck. Then remove the tool and accessory tray. Now we can remove the battery cover panel. Now with gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Now we can remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Next, loosen the fastener for the battery hold-down strap, and you'll need your 13mm wrench for that. Then remove the battery hold-down strap. Then carefully remove the vent tube from the side of the battery. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle and install the new battery. Now we can reinstall the battery hold-down clamp and retighten the fastener. The next step is to reinstall the vent tube into the side of the battery and check the tube to make sure it's not cracked or damaged. Now we can retighten the battery's hold-down strap. Then reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And retighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the battery cover panel. Then replace the tool and accessory tray, lower the trunk deck, and we're done.